Let's check our answer for rounding 387 to the nearest hundred. When I'm looking up at my directions, I see that I'm rounding to the nearest hundred. So I'm going to underline that digit in the number. The number three, the digit three, is in the hundreds place. So first I'm going to think about how many hundreds do I currently have in this number? I have 300. And if I was thinking about the next hundred would be 400. So when I'm rounding, I have to figure out which of these hundreds am I closest to. I'm going to think about what number falls directly in the middle of 300 and 400. What's right in the middle of 300, 400? All right, that one's not too hard. That would be the number 350. I put that number in the middle because it helps me think about where I'm going to round to and where to place my number. All right, then my next step is to look next to my hundreds place to the right at my tens place. That 10 helps me decide where to place this number on the line and where I'm going to round it to. So there is an 8 in my tens place. So I know that 3 with a 5 in the tens place is right here in the middle at 350. So I'm going to move just a little bit farther with this number. This might be about 360 here, 370. 380, 390. And I know that 387, this was my 380 mark. It's probably, I don't know, right about there. So I'm going to put 387 on my number line right there. Well, my 8 in the tens place tells me that I am really close to this 400. You can see that on the number line, and we know that when I get to 8 tens, my next number is 390 with 9 tens, and then I'll be at 400. So 387 rounds to 400 when I'm rounding to the nearest hundred. So in this case, my answer would be 400.